Welcome to Phonics and Tracing Fun! Today, we will look at how each letter sounds. You'll see a mouth picture showing how we say it. Look carefully at the tongue, lips, and teeth. Then, we'll say the sound and trace the small letter together. This is the letter A, and it makes the sound ah, like an apple. Look at the mouth. The tongue is down and the mouth is open wide. Say it with me. Ah, ah, ah. Now it's your turn. Say ah. Good job. Now let's trace the small a. Start with a round circle. Then go up and down. Let's do it again. Round, up, down. This is B, and it makes the sound B, like in ball. Look at the picture. The lips are closed tight before the sound comes out. Let's say it together. B, B, B. Your turn. Say B. Awesome! Now let's trace the small b. Down, then a bubble on the side. One more time. Down and bubble. Here's the letter C. It makes the sound k, like in cat. Look at the mouth. The tongue is raised at the back. Let's say it together. K, 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 k. Now you try. K. Great! Now trace the small c. Start at the top. Curve around like a moon. Let's try again. Curve around. Yay! This is the letter D, and it makes the sound D, like in dog. Look at the mouth. The tongue touches just behind the top teeth. Let's say it together. D, D, D. Now you try D. Let's trace the small d. Make a circle, then go up and down. Again, circle, up and down. This is E, and it says eh, like in elephant. Mouth is open just a little, tongue is in the middle. Say it with me. Ah, ah, ah. Now you say ah. Let's trace the small e. Across, then around like a tiny swirl. Try again. Across, around. Good job! This is F, and it makes the sound F, like in fish. Look, the top teeth touch the bottom lip. Say it with me. F, f, f. Now you go. Let's trace small f down and make a little crossbar. Let's do it again. Down and across. This is G, and it says G, like in goat. Look at the back of the mouth. The tongue is up at the back. Let's say it together. G, g, g. Now you try. G. Trace the small G. Make a circle, go down, and curve back. One more time. Round, down, and hook. This is H, and it says like in hat. Open mouth and blow a little breath, just air. Say it with me. Now you try. Trace the small H. Down, then a little hump. Let's do it again. Down and bump. This is I, and it says E, like in igloo. Mouth open just a little, short sound. Say it with me. E, 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 E. Now your turn. E. Trace the small E. Down and dot on top. Try again. Down and dot.
This is J, and it says Y, like in juice. The tongue is down and air comes over it. Y. Let's say it. Y, Y, Y. Now you say it. Y. Trace small J, down and hook, then a dot. Again, down, hook, and dot. Here's K. It makes the sound K, like in kite. Back of the tongue is up, just like letter C. Say it with me. K, K, K. Now you say it. K. Trace small K, down, then slant up and slant down. Try again. Down, up, and down. This is L, and it says L, like in lion. Tongue touches right behind the teeth, like this. L, L, L. Let's say it. L, L, L. Now try. L. This is M, and it says M, like in monkey. Close your lips and hum. Say it with me. M, M, M. Now your turn. M. Trace small M. Down, bump, bump. Again, down, hump, hump. This is N, and it says N, like in nest. Tongue touches the roof, but you let air out the nose. Say it. N, N, N. Now you try. N. Trace small N. Down and a hump. Try again. This is O, and it says O, like in octopus. Make a round mouth, like an O. Say it with me. O, O, O. Now you say O. Trace small O, just a round circle. Do it again. Around. This is P, and it says P, like in penguin. Lips are tight, then pup. Let's say P, P, P. Your turn. P.
Trace small p. Down, then around to the right. Try again. This is Q. It sounds like Q, like in queen. Say it with me. Q, 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 Q. Now you say Q. Trace small q. Circle, then tail down and curve. Again, round and tail. This is R, and it says like in rabbit. The tongue curls back. See the picture? Let's say Now you try. Trace small r. Down, then a tiny bump. Try again. This is S, and it says S, like in snake. S. Teeth are close. Air hisses out. Say S, S, S. Now your turn. S. Trace small s, like a twisty snake. Try again. Curl and curl. This is T, and it says T, like in tiger. Tongue taps behind the teeth. Let's say T, T, T. Now you go. T. Trace small t. Down and across on top. This is U, and it says like in umbrella. Mouth is open and round. Say Now your turn. Trace small u. Down, curve, and up. Again. This is V, and it says like in van. Teeth touch lip and vibrate. Say Now try it. Trace small v. Slant down and up. This is W, and it says W, like in whale. Lips rounded like blowing. Say it. W, w, w. Now your turn. W. Trace small w. Down, up, down, up. This is X, and it says X, like in box. Say X, X, X. Now you say X. Trace small x, slant down, slant up, cross it again. This is Y, and it says W, like in yogurt. It starts with a wide mouth and glides in. Say it. W, W. Your turn. W. Trace small y. Slant down again, and curve. This is Z, and it says Z, like in zebra. Buzzing sound with mouth closed. Say Z, Z, Z. Now your turn. Z. Trace small z. Across, slant, across. Just like lightning. Yay! You did it! We learned A to Z, all the letter sounds.
Yay, that was so much fun! Did you like the video? Then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends so they can learn along too. Bye-bye! See you soon on